Okay, it's a 2018 Cadillac xt5. We're going to go ahead and replace the cabin filter. First thing you want to do is you want to reach up, open the glove box, and we're going to unhook the little string from the side here. Okay, and then you're going to push in on these to release the thing that holds it up on both sides. Nice. And then you're just going to flip this down. And in here, there's a little screw. And take this little screw out. It's a T15. And careful about dropping this screw, because I did drop it. And I had to fish it out with a magnet. Anyways, there's a little clip here on the end. You just kind of wiggle this out. Then I kind of have to push in just a hair and kind of wiggle that out of there, because there's a little kind of hooks in on a clip on the inside. And then you just remove your cabin filter. I've already replaced this one. You just stick it back in there. You're going to kind of fish this thing back in here and kind of clip it in, and then press and click her all back together. Replace your screw. And then don't forget to grab your little string and clip this back in the side of the box, the glove box here. It's kind of a hard doing a video when you got to hold the phone. Oops. Okay, I got it clicked back in, and then you just push your glove box closed. All done.